Hello everyone. Here we are looking at a dashboard of a sample database which I have taken from a superstore. It's a dynamic dashboard. Let's go check over the dataset. Dataset consists of 13 variables, and the 13 variables, 4 variables are numeric and 9 more variables are categorical. Here one more variable, that is postal code, is there. That does not actually matter because the city and the postal code will be always matching for one another. Let's not consider postal code for the exploratory data analysis. Here let's talk about shipment mode. Shipment mode consists of 4 classes, 4 categories, that is first class, same day, second class, and standard class. And segment consists of customer, consumer, corporate, and home offices. This superstore supplies for these three range of customers, that is consumer, it might be corporate, or it might be home office. And it completely from this database is taken from the completely United States. That definitely infers that this superstore has been was located in the United States, and the city in United States and the states in which these cities have been located. We have taken around 49 states: Delaware, District of Columbia, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, etc. And the pin codes, the city's pin codes, and the main regions: central, east, south, and west, which is the main category here, main variable. And the category, the products, the offerings which this superstore was providing to these segments, that is consumer, corporate, as well as home offices. The category was furniture, office supplies, and technology. And there is subcategories. When it comes to subcategories, if we take furniture, there are bookcases, chairs, furnishings, and tables. If we take office supplies, there are many: appliances, art, binders, envelopers, and fasteners, labels, papers, stores, and supplies, and etc. If we take technology, accessories, copiers, machines, and phones. These are all the offerings that was given by the superstore, and this is the sales of each category and each subcategory of this dataset from this superstore. And let's try to do the exploratory data analysis by visualization this in a whole dashboard manner. Here in this dynamic dashboard, we can see that we can go through with any category, whether it might be furnishing, whether it might be furniture or office supplies or technology. When it comes to subcategories, of furniture, we can even choose for bookcases. What is the revenue made by this bookcase products? What are the profits that has been made? What are the discounts that has been given for this bookcases? Of furniture subcategory, even chairs, furnishing, and tables. Even we can guess this through regional wise. What are all the sales that have been happened from this central region of bookcases, east region or south region or west region. These are the segments which they have supplied for, and this is the segment mode that has been taken. Here we can see that 57 percentage was taken by secondary class, and 16% was taken on same day first class, like that, and so on and so forth. Here we can see the consumer segment, that is segment wise, that is consumer, corporate, or home offices. Home offices being the least when it comes to west region in furniture cases. whether the profit generation is good, the discount given was minimal, and it's very good for the superstore. Even we can go state-wise, where let's select Florida. What are the sales obtained from Florida, profits obtained from Florida, the discounts offered for all the categories in Florida state. The pretty much the profits are very much low. And when it comes to the mapping here we can see the discount given in the Texas is very much high, at the sales is very much low, the profits is very minimal. Here we can see a huge problem that has been striking for Superstore. This can be taken care right away so that company doesn't run out of the business in Texas. Well, actually, Texas is not a small state. It's a big state where huge population are there. Like we can consider different strategies for in state of Texas, so that we can get an optimal amount of revenues with minimal discounts and maximizing profit year on year. Will be helpful for Superstore. When it comes to California, we can see that the sales is high, the discount given is minimum, and the profits obtained from this California is huge. The same strategy and the same products can be marketed and campaigned over this state also, that is Texas, and the superstore might run faster. We can see here the sales and profits that made by shipment mode wise, and the sales and profit mode by segment wise, that is consumer, corporate, and home offices. The home office and consumer profit made in Florida is almost equal, that is comes under south region. Even we can take in Florida there are cities here. Let's take Saint Peru, where we can see that the sales from Saint Peru, Florida is $1,691 with a profit of very good amount, that is $151, with a very minimal discount, that is $4. These metrics, dynamic metrics, can be used to visualize anything. The mapping can be checked on whether the heat mapping can be checked on whether which category is blessed or not. Even Illinois we can mention here. The sales even from Washington is very much good compared to Texas. Comparatively Texas, even the profits are very good compared to Texas. We can introduce those strategy there also. Even the New York, the sales have been very good. Look at the discounts given in New York, that is very much minimal, even minimal compared to the California too. What is offered to California, and the profits are huge, skyrocketing. We can implement these strategies in Texas also, which can be very much helpful for the superstores business. This is a dynamic dashboard which you can visualize anything. Thank you. Please leave a like and comment.